Running a Wix store? Let me show you how to send quick order updates on WhatsApp using Mercuri CX. Go to Templates, WhatsApp in Mercuri dashboard and click on Create Template. Now, fill in basic details like template name, language, and category. In the body of the message, write something like, "Hi John, your order 0987 has been received. You'll get a notification once it ships." Use variables to personalize, like customer name and order ID. Next, add Contact Us button to directly contact with one click. Preview the message and click on Create Template. Go to Automations, click on Create Automation. Select Order Created as automation type and WhatsApp as the channel. Then, choose the approved template. That's it. You've now automated order confirmations. Want us to help you get started? Scan the QR code on the next slide to book a free demo.